Hi, I'm Josie with GreenCars, and today is a super exciting day because we are here at the Electrify Expo here in Los Angeles. We have so many booths, so many vendors, so come with me while we check out and see what the Electrify Expo has to offer. I feel like I'm learning how to ride a bike all over again.
You can actually take it on a commercial flight. Our batteries pop out, go in the backpack like you would any laptop battery. The rest of our bike breaks down into our travel bag and you can literally travel anywhere. So it really sets it apart from all the other e-bikes.
I think we got it.
When you take technology, which a lot of EV companies are proud of, and then pair it with what is beautiful, that's Drako.
A 450 dirt bike, 4-stroke, has about 54 horsepower, where a Stark dirt bike that you'll see today at our show can go up to 80 horsepower.
Whoa, it goes so fast, so quick. I feel like I'm in a sports car. EV vehicles for everyone.